SHUTDOWN, you the GOAT. SHUTDOWN, you the GOAT. SHUTDOWN, you to go. SHUTDOWN, you to go. SHUTDOWN, you to go. Down you to go. Down you to go. Down you to go.
Who's this guy? What's he doing here, huh? I think that's the new stream intro, I can't lie. That's me? Is it, yeah? I thought it was me, I can't lie. I was pretty convinced it was me, chat. Could be wrong, though. Chat. How are we all doing? Hopefully you're good. Holy shit, this one's going to be a mad one. Price is ripping right now. $1 million, chat. Right now, please. Give me $1 million right now. I'm serious, chat. Otherwise, I'm going to be really pissed off with you lot. I need that milli. Chat. It's going to be a good one, though. I'm excited for this. All right. Oh, you got it. What a legend. Should we start the stream? Do you guys want me to start the stream or nah? All right, fine. 3, 2, 1.
Guys, it's just me with the voice changer. That's you.
Oh my god! Where have I come from, huh? Popped out of nowhere. Mad. Danny, that is insane. Get him gone. Banned. Banned. Chat, how we all doing, man? Welcome back to the streams. What's good, Danny, Levi, Victory Settings. Who else is here, man? Ewan, Anil, Tony, Tessine, Triz, Chuckle Brothers.
All the boys. All the boys.
All the man. Too many man. Crazy. Hi, Trico. What's good, O's? AJ, what's good, brother? Chat. Seen a lot of names from the masterclass. A lot of names. Wait, what's this? SG's floating in a position? Nah, surely not. Don't worry, guys. It's just an evaluation. Don't you worry, okay? I would not take a position without you guys. But look, chat, how's the class? Oh my days, chat. The masterclass yesterday was fucking unbelievable. Chat, if you guys were in it, Alpha Futures to Goats, yeah, code TRLS on Alpha Futures. Guys, if you were in the masterclass yesterday, tell the rest of the chat how it was. Be honest. Be honest, because I think it was pretty fucking incredible. Can vouch the masterclass was helpful. There you are. What's good, Stefan? How's it going, brother? Fire. Fire. I might have to get, we're going to have to get a soundboard like Charlie Sloth, you know. Perfect. We actually need to get that. That'd be sick. How do we get the recording? It's in the WAP chat, Ewan. It's in the WAP chat.
You get a stream deck.
Yeah, I need a stream deck. All right, chat. But how's everyone doing? How's everyone's day yesterday? absolutely worth last night. Now application. Yes, sir. TRLS in the booth. Holy. Chantel, I loved you. Can't believe you cheated. Can't believe you cheated with Jonathan from church, mate. It's fucking ridiculous. Hi, my friend. Do you remember me, the French guy who visits you every day? Have a good session. Yes, sir. All right, chat. Let's jump into a quick analysis. This is kind of crazy, bro. This position was printing this morning. All right. Well, obviously, weekly, daily, mega bullish. 4 hour, mega bullish. 2 hours about to close in 19 minutes. Chantel sounds like a right sket. I haven't heard that word in ages, but she is. Yeah, okay, chat. So, yeah, every time frame's bullish, quite obviously. There's nothing really stopping you now until you get to, well, 39.20. What I would like to see is a retracement back into this level before a continuation up, okay? I think that would be really, really nice. With that being said, though, chat, yeah, realistically, that's what we need for a position, is what I'm trying to say. All right, but realistically, you should just fill straight through. If you're in buys right now, there was no entry with that buy. There was loads of entries. I can't lie. Bottom wick after this closure, flipper this closure, 30 closure. It was kind of a lot. I can't lie. Yeah, it was programmed. It was programmed. I took it on a top step. Oh, I'm still in on the top step. Wait, what? I thought I closed. All right, well, I'm on a top step PA right here. I took that as well with small risk. I'm up, closed 220, up 60. So, yeah, decent. Not too bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not like Reading. Why have I got your... Mad, I've got your trading view on here. I can close your order right now. All right, chat. I've actually hacked into Tom's account right here. Chat, if we get to 50 likes, I'll close Tom's trade without him knowing. 50 likes and I'll close this trade.
Nobody like it. Also, what are we saying about them chart colors? Best in the game, no? Lovely.
All right.
Wait, I should get rid of that.
All right. All right.
Really hungry at the minute.
What's good, Raze? What's good, Dale? All right, all the man are in here. Holy shit. About to use the TRLS to get 150k W, bro. Chat, we're pushing down a little bit here. 5, no top wick. This is crazy. Structure's still bullish. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. What are we going to see here, chat? Realistically, I think it's got to be time to make the milli. So for the analysis, chat, in terms of the analysis, let me just lock in real quick. 2 hours is closing here in 17 minutes and the hourly as well. Basically, I want to see buys back off of this level here. If you can tap into 899 here and grab some nice little liquidity and then a closure back from here, maybe a Sky Dweller play, we'll take the continuation up. Otherwise, oh, wait, what did I just do? What did I just do? I don't even know. Realistically, if it doesn't pull back, it's obviously just going to fill the range. You do have like a 30-minute level here and here that we just tapped into. Would it have hit my TP? No. Okay, cool. So I closed at the good point. Interesting, chat. So yeah, we need the pullback right now. You got good market structure. Everything's bullish. But the one thing I would say we're lacking on is liquidity. By the way, the US government shut down yesterday or the day before. Which is kind of mad, no? I think that's insane. So that could have a massive impact on your trading. So I want you guys to be careful about that. It's very, very important. Maybe go through like a period of de-risking. You're meant to have unemployment claims today, right? But it's tentative. So essentially, they don't know if it's going to come out or not because of the government being shut down.
Yeah, what time would that usually come out? 3 PM?
25 likes and SG gives me his accounts. Crazy. Last shutdown was 6 years ago. Man's never been in marquee when it's shut down, eh? Trust me, daddy. Yeah, man. 5 might flip. Holy hell. Very interesting, chat. Very, very interesting. If you can shut down when you all don't agree, that means you don't control shit. Bro said y'all twice in that sentence, so I immediately don't understand.
The line does not consider himself with the opinions of...
All right, chat. 50 likes on the stream, please. There's 70 of you in here right now. I do think there's a lot of opportunity here. Like I said, we can look for something like this. A little position off of this retracement. If it wants to retrace, that is, right? If it doesn't want to retrace, then we might be cooked. We might be cooked. Should I explain in Fortnite terms what the shutdown is?
Golden Scar.
Oh, what did the 5 do? The 5 closed weak bear. Oh, chat, it's gonna rip. Hello, Mr. SG. How are you doing? What's your thoughts on the masterclass? Did it go well? Wheelu, you were in there, no, bro? I thought it went very well. But, yeah, I enjoyed it, man. I enjoyed it a lot. I think it went well, personally. I think it was extremely informative. From your guys' feedback, you seem to have loved it. Bro's doing the sound effects. But, yeah, realistically, just want to know what you feel. No, I enjoyed it, man. I don't think I could have done much better. I mean, maybe. But, like, my main goal with it was to give you guys as much value as possible, right? And I'm pretty sure I did that. For the session's like length, it was a 2-hour session. I couldn't have jam-packed much more into there. What's the difference between jelly and jam? Do you not know that joke? Can't jelly my dick in your ass. What a joke. SG said if we get to 100 likes, he'll buy each of you $1 million in props. All right, chat. Yeah, if we get to 100 likes within the next 5 minutes, I'll buy everyone $1 million in props. No botting. All right, nice.
Rejecting again.
Yeah, we are rejecting him. Mr. Mochi, get out of the stream. SG, where were the buy entries? I really thought there were none because it didn't retest the level. Yeah, Dale, I mean, it didn't retest, you are right, but this hourly closed above, made a massive bottom wick and then flipped. It also retested like the 30 high here. If you think about it, right, you've got a 30 level here, which it retested before continuing up. So you could have either taken the bottom wick entry, which I did, or you could have taken the flip of that 1 hour, right? Either way would have been really good. Really little broing SG on his own stream.
Yeah, I'm like 6'3", 6'4", Sam's about 5'9", maybe 5'10" on a good day. So there is a bit of a height difference between us two.
Perfect height though.
I caught this guy asking for uppies the other day off of his girlfriend.
I just go like this. Chat, by the way, I'm dropping a new vlog today. Banger vlog, episode 1 of the great Q4 lock-in. You've been slacking on the recording, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna chat. Tell Tom if he doesn't start recording and we can't start pumping out the vlogs, I'm gonna kick him out the house.
Guys, I'll get it dialed in.
Tom needs a mic. He's a little quiet. What do you want me to do? Mic him up?
Let's just bring it over.
Wait, stop. Stop.
Yeah, but then you're gonna be the mega loud.
Boom.
Nah, King. When I was streaming, I promise you there was no setup there. This is formed after stream. It was just straight chop for like the entire hour that I was streaming.
Oh my days. The mega reject. Chat, this 30 flips is going to literally I don't know, Venus. This is a big liquidity here on this 30 in my opinion. Oh, not the 30, it's the 15, right? Yeah, 15. That was a big push down there. A lot of the times when you see a stab down like that, chat, it means it's liquidity. Right? If it slowly trundles down, it's less likely to be liquidity. But when it stabs down and rejects just like this, that's called liquidité. Bonjour, je m'appelle Monsieur Le Liquidité. No, you're Mr. Liquidity, actually.
I am Mr. Liquid.
No, liquidity. You're my liquidity. Every time your stop loss is my entry.
You're my exit liquidity.
Tom, what do you see on the charts? If you give us a win, I'll fly to you guys and give you a hug. He's in buys right now.
I'm actually already in a trade right now, so if I could jump on a time machine and answer this question for you, it might be a bit more useful.
If this flips and flies, I might produce some liquidity. I see we started the degen hour of stream a little bit early here, chat, which is good. This used to be an educational stream before you. Thanks a lot, Rebecca. Please tell me you've seen that.
No.
What?
I'm not as old as you. That's like an old person joke. It's like an unk joke.
I'm never beating the unk allegations. Chat, there's 80 people in the stream right now and 20 likes. I'm literally gonna start fucking beating you up, mate. Didn't feel a thing.
Unfazed.
Unk on his own stream is crazy, I know. Wait, are you guys not the same age? No, Tom's 12.
Can you not tell by my youthful face and Sam's rapidly aging face?
No, the way you can tell, I don't know if you guys know much about like when you're in the gym and everything, there's something called muscle maturity, right? Like grown age men have actual like definition in their muscles, you see. Tom looks like Mr. Tickle from the Mr. Men. His arms are all like wibbly wobbly, it's really weird. What did Ray say? I saw it for a second and deleted it. It said something about, what did he say?
I didn't see it. Does that mean it's been auto-deleted or a different mod is?
No, Ray, that means Ray's retracted it himself. No balls.
He said something.
He's no balls it.
He said something he shouldn't have.
SG's 50, about to retire soon. I'm retiring at 21. When I hit 21, I'll be retired. Easily. There's no way I make it past like 22 and I'm still working. Chat, gold has got a mind of its own right now.
This is kind of annoying me now though. It's just like...
What do you guys know about $1 million, huh? Nothing, see? They don't know anything.
And they've not experienced it.
Oh, SG's turning 26 this year, guys. I'm actually not. Oh my god, it's rejecting. 2M te mettre 4 pat. You like something a 4 paste. 2M, you like to meter
4
at 4
PM?
potatoes.
Well, I don't know.
Anyone speak French in chat other than the French guy? This is so weird, chat. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually a very, very strange price action right now. I don't know what's going on, and it's making me really annoyed. Maybe we need some more liquidity, right? This is where we come back and grab a nice little pullback into these lows. Have you ever tried out Fibbo? Chat, if you didn't know, Fibbo is short for Fibonacci. I love that joke so much.
It's actually the fib.
Nah, Fibbo. No, I haven't really. I'm not the biggest fan. Chat, if you're not in the Discord already, by the way, make sure you join it. It's completely free, but it's super valuable. Which Apex dashboard did you use? There's only one, no?
Yeah, there should only be
I
one.
think there's only one, man. It is a bit weird. It's a bit old-fashioned, I think. Chat, good news though. You guys can get, using code TRLS, you can get the maximum discount on alpha futures evaluations as well. Not experienced 1 mil yet. I'll write you a report when I do. Nice. Nice. How many scrolls have you gone in today, mate?
I've actually probably only done about, what, 2-3 hours, so we're pretty much under quota right now.
Chat, if you guys want to know the real secret to become a profitable trader, you need 6 to 7 hours scrolling a day. Minimum.
You know, sometimes when Sam's sleeping, he's still just in his sleep, holding.
Yeah, because I'm locked in.
Even, there's no phone in his hand, he's just so used to it.
It's called dedication, chat. You guys wouldn't know about that. That's the whole reason that I'm profitable, is because I'm literally just scrolling all day. Checks phone, I have 7 hours of scrolling. Crazy.
No, but in all seriousness, my screen time has gotten actually better since I...
Should we check my screen time?
I'm only really doing, what, like an hour and a half on TikTok a day.
Chat, when I was in the UK, genuinely...
It's still kind of bad when you think about it.
No, my screen time was the highest when I was locked in working in the UK. I had 18 hours a day screen time, but it was all like editing and shit like that. Wait, that was when I used to edit my own like YouTube videos and everything. Where's screen time? Oh, here.
Probably
Oh my days. That is not a good daily average. It's down 15% as well from last week.
No, up.
No,
Oh,
down.
Sorry, down.
So it was more. Wait, am I showing anything now?
Hey, mine's probably worse than yours.
I feel like that's quite bad.
Well,
Oh my god, the 5 closed bullish. That's pretty fucking aggro price action. This is gonna rip up. Chat, if you're in buys, hold this. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, man. Charge your damn phone. Bro, my phone's cooked. I bought the new iPhone 17, but it hasn't arrived yet. Your boyfriend? Yeah.
Oh.
That is crazy.
Guys, and this guy always, he started getting on to me recently about being on my phone all the time.
Yeah, but I'm working when I'm on my phone. One of my most used is...
You're not talking to me when I'm driving, you just...
One of my most used is Bolt Food. That's kind of crazy, the food ordering app.
Right.
I got my screen time down to nearly 2 hours. Tom, that's not good enough, man. You got to get those numbers up. Get them up. Realistically. Chat, 100 people in the stream right now. Let's get to at least 60 likes on the stream. Actually, first, let's start at 50. If we get to 50, Tom will twerk for you. He'll back it up.
That's actually crazy, you know. Bro, my average screen time used to be like 11, 12 hours.
Why have I got like an hour a day on Google Drive? Nah, when someone is on their phone whilst I'm driving, it drives me insane as well, I can't lie. Bro, this guy doesn't have a car. I drive him everywhere, and the moment he gets in the car, he goes... Sits there with his mouth open scrolling, and I'm like, oh, bro, what do you think about that position earlier? What do you think about this content idea? Oh, bro, look at this. And he's just like...
This is not true. Like, if only
it's actually retarded. Like,
you guys knew how not true this was.
It's the most jarring thing, especially because most of the time he's on music, and he plays like the TikTok out of the fucking speaker of the car as well. So gay. All right, chat. Someone with your name started talking German in another trader's Discord group and got booted today. With my name?
Oh, we're ripping.
Who's stealing my name? Lives with his bro and has a personal driver? I know, that's what I'm saying, man. We'll tell him it's not me, Luke, because I don't want this guy... What the fuck? Why is this guy ruining my rep?
What streamer was it?
No, what?
Wait.
I love reels, you love reels, I love reels, you love reels. Thank you, Mr. Mochi.
In another... Oh, Discord.
I'm on 15 hours, 54 minutes daily average, and I don't have TikTok. Fire. I got added by 6 guys with your name as soon as I joined Cord. Yeah, bro. I figured it wasn't you. Let me get the screenshot. Yeah, appreciate it. I mean, it's obviously not me, right? I do speak German, but...
It'll just be impersonators, guys. It won't be Sam.
Obviously. I don't have any other Discords. I literally have... this one's for boosts. Yeah, I have a crypto one, which is my boys' Discord. I have mine, and that's it. An Alpha Capital group. Kind of mad. Tom needs to teach a course on how to live life. It would be complaining 24/7 and then scrolling the rest of the time you're not complaining. That would be the course. 50 likes on the stream chat right now. Otherwise, it's beef. And join the Discord. This is ripping up. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. I'm gonna lose my job. You know?
Is Danny in the chat? Danny, are you in the chat right now? Are you still in this? Nah,
he's not. He's not in the chat. I'm in from 3907.
I think that's around when I started commenting in the Discord.
I got him from like 04, I think.
Yeah.
That's the worst one. Yeah, 04 roughly. I did want to see this pull back. You do have a resistance here as well, chat, at like 12.2 on the 15 and the 30 minute, which is relatively strong. But genuinely, I think we probably just push through it. ATP. Nah, only on that one. I'm up 500 on this Alpha Ticks right now. So that would put me 1% in profit. I was in a bit of drawdown, but we got... Nah, not the 666 profit. That is crazy. We can't be having that, chat. Can't be having that. How's your guys' week been so far, though? How's your guys' week been so far? Are you guys in profit, drawdown, negative, positive, minus, backwards, left, An NQ all-time high again? Surely not, bro. That's insane. Oh, you closed sort of respecting that 30-minute level. Hourly closed the mega bullish. SG, quick question with static evaluation. The ones where the drawdown limit stays a set amount and don't change? Yeah. Yeah, it is, yeah. I haven't been able to trade much. I'm only up 2K.
Only.
Only 2K.
Only this.
To be fair, that is pretty shit, Gene. You need to get your money up, not your funny up. Nothing to do with Telegram groups that send 5 trades a day. I can't stand myself anymore as traders. You know TRLS is not like that, right? So, took out 17 personal loans and went full margin. W. New month, we chilling? We're chilling, man. How you been? FNAM, I've been good, brother. I've been good. How about you? Most importantly, Mr. FNAM. Close full, 40 pips. Nice, Weelu. Good stuff. This guy's printing the day after the webinar. Or the masterclass, or the...
Me personally, guys, I see this going to 919. Just for those of you that may not have closed out at that minor level. I see this going to 919.
Hang on, chat, when?
Oh.
Chat, when? When did anyone ask for Tom's analysis?
They all want my analysis.
They all want your anal, mate.
Yeah.
$520? $50? Good stuff, Weelu. That's a W, man. All right, chat. By the way, for the people who won the giveaway yesterday in the masterclass, I'll be issuing your accounts after stream. I've got the accounts ready to give, but I'll be issuing them right after stream. Okay? So never fear. SG's here. Glad I'm finding my own way to trade. First day on the funded, but yeah, W, way more confidence to trade, but learn the discipline from you. Good stuff, FNAM. Got funded 3rd time after losing 2 funded. I swear this time I'll reach a payout. I think you will too. W. Chat, if you guys get funded or you take a dub or anything like that, send it into the testimonial section in the Discord, right? Mr. Maniac over here getting funded. Best futures firm? In my opinion, the best futures firm is going to be Apex. Apex, or I've just started trading on Alpha Futures, so I'll let you guys know how that's going, but I'm really enjoying it, to be honest. Code TRLS, sorry, gets you the biggest discount possible.
Oh, there's Danny. Danny, are you still in this? Or did you close out?
Have you tried Aqua Futures? Is that the same as Aqua Funded? Because if so, I would not trust it with a fucking 10-foot pole. I'm 1,800 from taking a payout with Tradeify. Nice. W, my friend. Masterclass was fire. Bays, good shit, man. Appreciate it. Alpha Futures is my favorite, to be honest. Rapid payouts. Aqua Funded has been good, no? Isn't Aqua Funded the one that's like...
I've seen it on
Gunter and all them, like. Isn't that like Gunter's one?
Oh, yeah, I think it is.
I think it is. Yeah, it is. I would not trust that shit with a 10-foot pole. The people who are associated with that, McGarry, Gunter, basically the signal scammer final bosses. FOMC full port and then change the signal afterwards. Those type of guys, right? I wouldn't be trusting that shit. Especially because from what I've heard about them, they're all getting paid to go on these trips by the owner of Alpha Funded. I think actually someone on my team used to work for Aqua Funded. Allegedly, stuff's not good. I don't want to say stuff and get hit with the slander. So allegedly, I don't know anything, but there you go. When will I receive the 300k funded? I said that like 5 minutes ago. You'll get it after stream. Going with futures props. You recommended? Yeah, I think it's the best shout. Controversy in that, and then box them. I think I'd be in a massively different weight class to those guys, no? Yeah. They all look about 50 kilograms.
They're not very tall, are they? Gunter will be heavier than McGarry.
No, because I think they're short, aren't they? They're both skinny and short.
I know, so McGarry's probably will be your height.
Yeah, but he looks like a twig.
That's what I'm saying. You'd probably be in the same weight category as me, like when all humans are.
Oh my days, chat, it's ripping.
Ripping.
They're great.
I'm not showing my stops to that BE level now, actually.
You do that, mate.
Thanks.
Yeah, you do that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you do that. Alright. Mad. Would you say Apex connected to TradingView through TradeAvate lags with entries and exits? I don't know whether it lags that much. It can do. It has done for me, but not every time. You're not getting the best entries probably. But I still trade through TradeAvate connected. You could use NinjaTrader if you wanted to be like super accurate with the entries.
Gonna be bear stealthy.
Bears aren't that stealthy.
Not the grizzly.
Chat, what do you guys think about $1 million? NinjaTrader for copy trader? You have to buy the Apex copy trader like add-on for NinjaTrader to copy trade. Do you trade same time every day? Yes, I stream live every single day as well, chat, at this time, every single day. Alpha Zero account looks good to me. What do you think? I think the Alpha Zero account is great. That's what I'm trading on right now. Chat, I just closed out on this position, by the way, just because I was up by 1.3k on that one trade, which is like 3% nearly. Kind of crazy. There you go. The good thing is it has like this daily loss limit and manual lockout, which is pretty cool. Do you trade out of session? Not really, no. Barely. Chat, if you do want to get an account with Alpha Futures or Apex, the code is TRLS. It's ripping. This is very difficult to trade this now. How are Apex rules? Apex is great because the barrier to entry is so low. By the way, chat, Apex currently has, they extended their sale, right? They have 80% off all accounts plus reduced activation fees. It's like $85 activation fee, which is kind of crazy. Did you stack some Connors? No.
I stacked 3 micros at like 904, 905.
Looks like Tom's analysis is playing out. Yeah, no, I agree with him, to be honest. I was just taking the piss earlier, but he is right. It should tap into 19.9 here. It definitely should.
19.9.8. That's what I'm waiting on.
You took anything today? Yeah, I took these buys that you see on screen.
I've trailed my stops to 908, which was my break-even level. So, depending on where your entry is, I would suggest trailing your stops to there. Although you're probably going to be fine here anyway.
It doesn't necessarily always fill the range as well. Like I always have my like chat. A little tip for you guys as well is, if you think it's gonna fill up to here, most of the time I'll put my TP like 5 or 6 pips below that, because sometimes it will just tap it a little bit and then come down. How many funded accounts can you have with Apex? You can have 20. I currently have 10. I might stack some more though. You know, I might try and get to the 20 bomb. The mill just on Apex. That would be.
That'd be cool. But you can get 6 million funded with them, can't you?
Yeah.
2,300k accounts.
Gold definitely reaching an all-time high. I mean, we'll see. It might react first. Have a buy from London Open range breakout. Orb. WJJ. I love you guys. Keep my morning good. Hey, Gene, I appreciate it, brother. Apex the shout then, fam. Yeah, trust me. The scalability is the reason why Apex is so good. And you can pass in one day. You don't need like any consistency or anything like that. You can literally full port news. You can like pass quite easily, or you can just full port like regularly. It's definitely the way. Guess what? I'm in gold buys from 38, 88.5. Holy shit.
That's a good entry. Very good.
Those are the mega buys.
Are you still in this money, or have you taken your profits?
Okay, I'm gonna get to Apex. Code TRLS, bro. Chat. 15-minute closing in 5 minutes here. I need 500 to get my account back to 50k. I'm still in a position, currently up 580. My TP is at 750. Should I close? If you're already back above break even, bro, I would, yes. I like to do that. If you're in drawdown, for example, on that Alpha Futures one I just showed you guys, did I leave it open? Yeah. So you can see I'm up 1.3k today, but I'm only up 700. So what I did is when I got back to 50k, oh, actually, I was a lot higher, but I closed half my position that would have got me to break even on the account, so that even if my BE did hit, then I would have been still at 50k, and then I let the rest run until like very recently. So, yeah, man, funded with active futures. Hopefully they pay out. Yeah, I hope so too, bro. And congratulations on being funded, man. That's a big W. That's a big W. Starting to reject a little bit here. There is a level at 39.16.9 that we did just tap into and sort of reject off of. But realistically, I mean, everything's bullish. You might need a pullback here. You might need to come down a little bit and then continue up. So you might be in the trade for a while, but I mean, it should tap the highs. Just close the position from 38.68 on FX. And Neil, good shit, bro.
That's quite a big rejection, actually. Kind of ashamed to see. What's the 5 minutes there? What do you think that 5-minute close?
It's good. I mean, the top wick's not the best, but it should be fine.
I agree. Left a little bottom wick, opened up on the 5-minute. Just flipping around, flip-flopping around.
Manny, were you in the masterclass yesterday? What was PA yesterday during PM? Random gold spike down? No clue, bro. It's got to be something to do with the government or some fundamental shit. Maybe Trump said it something. I didn't check. But that cooked a lot of people because that was such a good trade setup. It was such a good trade setup, and then it just went, yeah, safe. Let me just take people's souls. Literally said, fetch me their souls, and just cooked everyone.
He's asking where did we enter and what time frame.
Did you see my question, which I spammed 7 times? What's good, Rastafari? Welcome back. Where'd you enter? 30-minute.
30-minute.
Closure above, bottom wick entry. There he is, Mr. Jar. What's good? What's good, Mr. Jar? How's it going? I'm starting to think Trump like mad. Maybe. Oh, I forgot about the monster, man. I need to get some energy in here.
Wow, that's a crazy rejection.
Popped a little mini shield. Yeah, because it came up and tapped the high, right? That's a strong rejection area, 16.9. Told you that, man. Told you. That's why I closed, just here. Bro, using CISD entry model for gold. Cannot remember the last losing day. So cracked. CISD, what is that? Changing state of delivery. You're right. It touched and rejected. I'm always right. Is that a gold monster? Yeah, chat. I unlocked it. I got 250 headshots on all the monsters. And unlocked the gold camo. Surely that's a good reference. Terror attack on mines this morning. What? In Manny? Or where? Wait, terrorist attack UK today. Holy skibs. Oh. Those ones are interesting because I'm not going to put that on screen.
Yeah.
Those ones.
That's TOS anyway. That'll get you.
Yeah, those ones are 90% of the time inside jobs. Anyway. Yeah. Shame you can't get a bloodthirsty. I've already dropped a nuke. I can't lie. Don't show that? Of course not, Jar. Took my TP at 38.91. Don't close that, it's fine. Chat, there was a strong rejection area here, which is exactly what I told you guys. 5 minutes still got no top wick though. Look, we just ripped up massively. It could just be a pullback.
I know, it's just quite an ugly 15-minute candle.
It's done it before, mate. I would... Why is that your level? Why is that your VE?
It's not, I was just trailing stops.
Triz, man, be careful with what you say, my G. Because that is not good. Is this the rejection we were looking for, chat? Maybe we can get a tap back into like 99 and get the bias back upwards, but it's going to be a long day nonetheless. 5 started to reject here. I think it fills the range first, bro. To be honest, chat. Is anyone still in this? I mean, I had to take it before stream, obviously, so like we didn't take it's not an on-stream trade, but I'm still looking for more entries, by the way, chat. Like, don't get me wrong, just because I'm in the I was in this doesn't mean I'm not going to trade. That was on a one PA and an eval, so like it wasn't really a major trade. Major trade. I entered right now. 10.7. Hopefully it plays out, my G. Did you take the trade end of London or during lunch hours? It was like, I guess it was pre-NY, you could say. It was like 11 o'clock, right? Didn't it reject from there yesterday? Yeah, it did. Can't see your screen proper. Yeah, it did, bro. It did. Like 9:17 roughly. I just got out happy with the profit and a little shook. They might release news to cook people. NY is 3:30. For me, it's 4:30. UK time is 2:30. NY. Oh no, that's NY. Yeah, so 3:30. Yeah. Oh wait. NYSE is 2:30. Comex Open is in 4 minutes. Can you still use the flip strat if there's a massive top wick like that? No, it's not as good, man. Because this is liquidity to come back down here. Closed off. Nice. Basically, what I said on the masterclass yesterday as well, if you're looking for buys and the biggest wick is from above, that means most likely you have only liquidity to come down, right? So if you're looking for buys, you need the wick to be from below. If this 5 flips though, you should be good to continue up. Longing GBP USD right now. Gold looking bad for me. GBP USD. You know what, actually, chat, the safest thing to trade is if you trade currency pairs right now. If you wanted to trade currency pairs, I would say the safest thing to trade would be like GJ. Because obviously we have the stuff with the US government shutdown. This is obviously Britain and Japan. Or like EJ or something like that, you know? Because like the shutdown's not really going to affect that, you know? But obviously I don't trade either of those pairs. Hey, what's good, Nicola? How's it going, my bro? Check Discord. On the roll. Nah, that's hard. Bro's got me on the beamer screen. That is legitimately cold. Did you say Egypt? EJ. Egyptian pairs? What? I mean, maybe. Is there? Can you trade? What's the currency in Egypt? Is it the lira? No, that's Turkey, no. What type of mullet are you rocking? I want to tell my barber to do the similar. Oh my days. I have the. It's basically it's called a burst fade. Just called a burst fade. I'm a roll off, done for the day. Just here for the value. I appreciate it, Weelu, man. Chat, there's 110 people, only 30 likes. You guys deserve a scrap. Yeah, Nicola, just tell him a burst fade. Front fringe, I guess. That's really it. Bye, bye, bye. You actually survived. Chinese yen, ruble. Let's take a look at it. You can't. Oh, it's ruble's Chinese yen. That looks good, actually. It's just no one trading the ruble right now. Or you probably can't, actually. I traded South African Rand when I first got into FX. Classic. Did you also, before you entered every trade, did you go, I'm going in? Full mugging.
Full mugging.
Because that's, if you trade the Rand, you have to do that. Hey Siri, search the web for how to acquire 3 wives.
Oh my god, you keep activating mine, Siri.
Lots of news in 10 minutes. Is it actually going to come out in 10 minutes though with the government being shut down? That's the question. Just activate my Siri. It was part of my setup. Yeah, Jar. I was gonna say it has to be. Chat, let's get to 60 likes on the stream right now. Otherwise, I'm beating you all up. Who's that jackpot guy? I don't know who you mean. Yo, they've taken all the news off. They've taken it off. It was here when we checked the stream.
Probably just means that it's not going to come out.
SG, when you come into Miami, when Mr. Green links me up with the trader meetup, I'll be there. I actually got invited to do a podcast in Miami, but they were like, yeah, you have to, like, we're not going to cover the cost. And I was like, well, at that point, I'm basically paying to do a podcast. So I can take you shooting? We need to go shooting. We were going to do that the other day here.
That would be fun.
Yeah, that's the thing though. If we go to Miami, bro, AK and AR shooting. I swear in Texas and shit, you can shoot like an RPG. You can buy like a car, like a scrap car, right? And then shoot like rocket launchers at it. I would love to do that.
That's in Vegas though, isn't it?
Oh, Vegas. Yeah, maybe it's that, yeah. What state is Vegas in? Las Vegas, Nevada, right?
I have no idea.
Las Vegas, Nevada. 2-hour gap needs to be inverted so we can target next psycho level 3900. Bro's speaking Chinese, to be honest, at that point. How fair is the gap though, RJ? You gotta tell me, because if the gap's being unfair, then I don't know if I want to get involved in it. I only deal with fair value gaps, alright?
Reasonable gap.
2 hour, mate. SG, did you look at anywhere else to move out to? I really want to leave the UK in the next 5 years. Yes, I looked at Malta, but it's shit quiet and full of old people. It's a good tax haven though. Gibraltar also, well, it's actually quite nice, but quiet. Dubai, but it's shit and full of fucking models getting pooped on. Cyprus is the best. Cyprus #1. Chat, can we push back up here? This is very interesting. 15 no top wick. If this flips, it will fill the wick, minimum. Pooped on, you say? I mean, yeah, it's a very popular thing in Dubai, I think. They have so much money, they just want to poo on women. Sounds like my type of place. Sounds like Eugene's type of place, to be honest.
Yeah, he seems to be very fond of your bottom region.
Flatular activities.
Yeah.
Bro, you literally just started playing footsie with me. Bro literally just started like resting his foot on my feet underneath the desk. Check the 2-hour FVG, that's what I'm saying. I know, bro, I was just playing with you. I don't trade FVGs, to be honest. Oh, this one, right? Wait. Here. Oh my days, that's a very fair value gap. Mr. Mochi having another schizo episode again. Unbelievable. Chat, this PA is very strange. It can't decide whether it wants to come down and grab more liquidity or whether it wants to rip back up. It's all one big fucking OTE. Bro's angry. 2 more wins for the 50k challenge. Nice, Baze. Good shit, man. Chat, today's been a good day, I can't lie. What's an unfair value gap? Oh, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. They're pretty unreasonable. Candles having a tantrum? Yeah, exactly. Apex trader funding, 80% off sale extended, plus $85 lifetime PA fees also extended across all accounts. Oh my days. Thank you, Mr. Apex man, for emailing me that. Oh, 5-minute flipperoon skis, chat. It seems like he wants to push back up here. Chat, I've got Tom's laptop here. I've got Tom's laptop. Should we just enter him into like a massive position? Just the full port. Okay, I'm gonna be serious now. Don't you think sales look valid now after we sweep the highs? We didn't really sweep the highs. I would have wanted to, if you wanted those aggro sells, you would have had to sweep the high highs. You didn't really sweep any. Did you sweep a session high? Yeah, it's not really a sweep though, is it? You kind of ran through him. Do it on paper trading and don't tell him. Shit, I just read that out way too loud. Bye, bye, bye. The 15 looks good for the buys. Chat, I'm not looking at anything just yet. Need more conf. See, bro just sent me a TikTok. Mr. Scroller over here. What'd you send me?
US government has hit stop loss. We have no idea when any of
5 close bearish, pushing down, chat. 30-minute close in 4 minutes here. I just got a notification. News is coming out. What notification did you get that on? And you're about to re-rate the low. Interesting chat. Check the XAU, there's a 2-hour gap, but MCG does not. Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit different, bro. My FX book, okay. Forex Factory is still not on there. Which is kind of interesting. But that's meant to come out when? In like 4 minutes, right? Half past? We'll see what happens. Jobless claims and initial claims? Okay. Hey, what's good, Crypto Maniac? Congrats on the phase 1 pass, by the way, my bro. Absolutely W. It's good, Mr. Rays. Trump has been chatting. What's he been saying? Chat, you guys are like my fundamental guys. That's why it's dumping? Okay. What are payout policies for Apex? Because Aqua is long, bruv. Literally need consistency plus 6% profit. Apex is 30% consistency, 5 trading days, 5% profit. That motherfucker Trump, master manipulator. Bro's definitely making bank off the markets. Oh my days, the 5 actually flipped here, chat. All the numbers said they came out worse than expected. Wait, but it hasn't even come out yet. Gold broke structure to the downside? Not necessarily. It did do this, but remember, chat, I was teaching you guys this before. There's something called a fake market structure shift that I've sort of implemented into my concepts. Basically, you come down and do something like this, break the lows, everyone thinks it's bearish now, and then it just does this, right? It's happened so many times. Everyone's expecting this to happen, but sometimes that doesn't happen. Sometimes it will do that. Right, so potentially we have this on our hands, but I'm not too sure. Obviously, this is why we need to wait for confirmation, chat. This looks like, for me, I mean, I'm not saying it is, but it could just be a liquidity grab with on the 15 to continue up. But you have 2 minutes till that close, and if the 30 closes like this, then yeah, that is pretty fucking bearish, I will admit. Just don't look for shorts there when the bias is bullish, yeah. Why is it so hard to have a payout? Even you could have one. What? I don't think it's that difficult. Like I said, I was like 1% off of getting one last round of evaluations, and then this round I've had 1 trade on my Apexes. I literally got a mil funded like a week ago, chat. Eric inside trading before? For sure. Wouldn't you though? I would, 100%. Put it in the Discord for you. Ah, thank you. We'll decide whether those cups will be temporary or permanent. Oh, crazy stuff from Senor LaTrump. With Apex, not overall? Yeah, I know you said with Apex, bro, but I'm just saying, like, I don't think it's that difficult, really. It's the same as most other props. Or like futures props. Pushing back up here, chat. Trump is the Waffle King. Isn't that a restaurant in America? Oh no, it's Waffle House. Chat, 110 people in here, man. Drop a like. I'm hoping if we get some nice bullish closures. I don't think this 5 is going to be enough for me, right? But if we can get like a bullish 15 close or 30 close on the next one, we'll take a look at some buys here to fill the range upwards after this liquidity being grabbed. Could be quite a strong 5 close here, though.
On the mirror of frown town.
Bro's mad. Oh.
Nice voice break. How is that even possible though? I don't understand that. I got the notification and then it only took me out of 2 comms.
Oh, that's good though.
I didn't even know that was possible.
didn't have enough to fill you.
Yeah. Ugh. Anyway.
That's a great 5 close.
Taking some time to compose myself.
Take a shot every time Trump says we've never seen anything like it, or this is the greatest XXX in history. Yeah, bro. Literally. There's a 5-minute sky dweller here to the upside, which looks actually quite good, I can't lie. Doesn't look too bad. But for me, chat, the 30 just closed the mega bear.
The mighty bear.
The mega bear, man. Wah, 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 wah. Chat, by the way, make sure... Yesterday, I dropped a new video, and I'm dropping another one today. Literally spoiling you guys. Spoiling you guys with the value. But yeah, yesterday I dropped the Bright Funded interview. Shout out Beard Meats Food. Which is pretty sick. Make sure you go watch that if you haven't already. Basically just the entire replay of the Bright Funded one, which was so fucking valuable. It's insane. And then today, chat, I don't know if it's scheduled yet. It's not. Grr. I'm going to be dropping a new trader vlog. Literally a pure trading vlog. Like, it's going to be sick. I've never really done one of these before. Yeah, I think it's going to push back up. I genuinely think this fills the range back up here, to be honest. I think this is a fake market structure shift, sweeping these lows for liquidity to continue up. That's what I would say.
Full pole. Full port. Full margin.
Chat, can we make a squillion bucks right now?
That's it.
All-time highs getting ran through, trust. You're getting ran through, mate. Clean as fuck. Well, I made 1.6% today, so done and dusted. W's, chat. Double U's.
Double U's.
I made 3% today, chat, on this eval. Pretty crazy. It's only an eval though, so it doesn't really count. You can just be super aggressive on these evals. What did I make on my top step here? 0.6%, 0.7%. It's okay. It's okay. Not bad. Not bad.
I just don't like this market structure shift, so maybe close below.
No consistency rule in your eval. I don't know if does the Alpha Zero plan? Anyone know if the Alpha Zero plan has consistency? If it does, it's gonna be... No, actually, it would still be below 50%. FAQ. When 1 gazillion % in a day? Soon, I think. Up 5% today? Holy shit.
That's crazy.
Consistency. Oh, there's no consistency on the eval. Alright, nice. Wait, max withdrawal on it. Okay, 1.5. It's not terrible. When the aliens land in November and gold rips 1 gazillion pips? Yeah, mad. Is there news today? Classic. The funny thing is, Luke, I don't even know. I don't even know. With the government shutdown, I don't know.
Who knows?
I passed the vows in 2 or 3 days consistency, then flop the PAs. Why do you think that is, brother? Mr. Luke. There's 2 Lukes in the chat right now. I trade on Bright Funded. Don't think they have as many rules as what you're using. Shout out Bright Funded. No, they don't. It's a CFD prop, right? Futures props and CFDs have different rules. In the morning, there were news plans. Suddenly it disappeared. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. If you were 3K in profit, can't you just take 2 1.5K payouts and don't trade in between? Nah, you have to trade in between. You have to because they make you. They should literally force you.
No, she didn't.
I think you should have re-entered with those 2 other cons. You know, that you got taken out of.
Yeah. To be honest though, like I've not managed this one the best, so I'm just gonna Let be what let be.
I think you're good. Another Luke. I've just fingered the chewing gum for you. What is it? International Luke Day or something? What's good, Luke? Luke and Luke.
I don't know if I should breaking that work though.
Any more Lukes in the chat right now? News was tentative, which is scary for Red Folder. Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, true. I might just hold it.
Any more jeans? I don't think there's any more jeans, bro. I can't lie.
Eugene's.
There's a Eugene. Don't worry, you got the two Dylans here? Yeah, two Dylans as well. Holy shit. Oh yeah, and Luca, the French guy. Technically, is that just the French equivalent? Je m'appelle Luca.
Dinner.
Two unemployed brothers in one room, top G shit. Us two, no? We are just two unemployed geezers, that's literally it.
Yeah, but we're professionally unemployed. We're the final boss of unemployed.
You living in Cyprus, bro? Yes. Just go. Self-employed? Maybe. Only one Ian in here though. Proper old geezer name. I think there's two. What's your TP on CFD chart? Just stick it at all-time highs. Why not? I'm number one. You made it.
You're number one.
Je m'appelle Luca. J'ai 5 Je suis trader. J'habite à Monaco. Luca, I'm coming to Monaco.
What are you doing?
Man. What's good, Mr. Bedge? What is good? Told you you'd survive it.
Yeah, but that's.
I told you.
Crazy. Did you move it, by the way?
I did.
You did. I was thinking because I saw on my phone. I got.
I'm actually the gangster. I'm actually Mr. Gangster, by the way. Bro, Tom's been in a trade all morning, right? His break even was like this, and his stop loss was BE. And as he was about to get taken out, I moved his stop loss to down below here, without him being in the room.
How can I have got exited out of 2 contracts, but then?
Because as I was doing it, it moved like.
You literally as you hit enter.
Yeah.
It. Oh, right, okay. That's some crazy.
And then he survived. I'm actually Mr. Goat.
What are you doing here, though? I mean, I felt like my head's kind of gone with this one, so.
Just let it run, bro. If it's doing this now, it should break the highs.
Guys, I had to. I suppose this is a good talking point to highlight of, you know, what not to do emotionally. I got a bit frustrated there because I have my TP at 919 on all-time highs on the 1 hour, and we didn't edge it, but you know, you can see where the wick filled up to, and then we just ripped all the way back down. So I got a little bit pissed off, walked out of the room, needed to just reset myself. With this now, I'm just gonna let be what let be. Either hits TP or takes me out BE. I'm not trying to stack any more positions to try and like gain some of the money back. You know, I'm just gonna try and have good emotional attachment to this.
W Luca, man, I'm watching your live stream to learn English. It's pretty cool. I wouldn't necessarily say we're the easiest to learn from. We have quite strong British accents.
Yeah, I'll teach you a bit of Geordie, mate, if you
I
want.
can't lie, when my girl and me first met, my girl spoke fluent English, but she still didn't understand me because of the accent. Like, legit.
No, she really didn't understand me.
Yeah, but you...
Our first, like, 2-3 conversations, it was basically me speaking at her and her just going, yeah. I knew she didn't know what I was saying.
And to be fair, my dad as well, she didn't understand my dad at the start because my dad's, like, very British, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, he's got quite a posh accent, but, like, it's also...
Sam's dad's like a proper keeping it lemon type of guy.
I mean, quite obviously not. You know me. It wouldn't make much sense, would it?
Idiot. I sound proper Tory.
Tom, to be honest, you sound proper Tory. Yeah, he is. He's a massive, massive racist.
I'm not anything.
I'm joking, he's not.
There's no political party in the UK makes sense.
Let's not go into Blizzy, what's good, my bro? Easy 40 pip win from that 5-minute Sky Dollar? Yes, sir. So late, what's good? What's good, Jay? Where in the UK are you boys from? Tom's from Sunderland.
No.
And I'm from Northamptonshire.
Newcastle, not Sunderland.
Tom's from Middlesbrough. Droll.
Ugh. Yeah, where's the French guy? Do you
What
not
does it
appreciate
mean? Sleepy?
No, funny, I think.
Bros from Bath? No way. St. Albans? W. Did you take that trade? Yeah, I did. I took this one here.
What have you got?
Zeno Records. Hertfordshire? Bro's just naming places now. Scotland, lads. Scotland. You have to do it.
Nicht gut.
Made a quick 800 on the 50k on the Sky Dweller. Woo! Hey, Ipswich stand up. No one from Ipswich is standing up apart from, you know who's from Ipswich?
Oh.
KB.
Oh, KB, yeah.
Yeah, good shit, Dylan. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, chat, this is crazy. I'm in my chair, to be fair. Yeah, there you go. Trailed stops, then just tanked. Good shit, Dylan. Good management, my bro. How do you like Cyprus as a new destination? Worth it? It's the best place to live on the planet. I'm convinced of this by a long way. I don't think there's anywhere better to live. Like, where else could you think that would be better to live?
Blackpool?
Blackpool, he says.
Grimsby?
Hunstanton.
Luton?
What are Cyprus benefits? Everything. The food's better. The
weather.
The weather. What are taxes like there for traders? I pay 2.5% taxes.
Right, get 'em banned.
That's it. 2.5% tax. Costa Rica on the list? I've never been, so I can't actually say anything about that. Can't stand this Tom guy. WJ. Damn, that's low. Yeah, it's crazy. You guys think I want to pay tax, huh? On my gazillion-dollar empire. I'm not paying anything.
That's 2.5% too much as well.
Easy to set residency there. It's fucking easy, bro. By the way, if you guys need help setting up the residency, I can help you guys out. I have a guy who set it up for me. I mean, I don't get anything from it, but I have the connect, so it's super easy. I swear to God, we're going to start a little TRLS community in Cyprus. There's going to be like... Eventually, there's going to be too many man here. Gonna pack everything now? Trust me. Chat, why do you guys think I moved here? For a nice little holiday or what? You guys know I'm too locked in. Gee, you just cooked my lungs, what the fuck? My bad. Where in Cyprus are you? Lovely, lovely Limassol. Make a trade house? That is in the plan. Wish I didn't live in the US for taxes, but at least I can do Puerto Rico. Yeah, Puerto Rico's good, man. Gonna pack everything out for maximum tan chicks. Yeah, that's why I came here. Yeah, fair. Nah. Limassol is basically Miami, but in Cyprus. I'm seriously considering it. No joke. Deciding between Cyprus and Greece, bro. Taxes in Greece are whack, and Greece is a lot less developed business-wise than Cyprus is, in my opinion. Also for traders, Cyprus is crazy. You got to think, right? All of the big trading companies have headquarters here. MetaTrader 5 have their main offices in Cyprus. XNest do, Funda Pro. What other props here? There's loads. I would move somewhere in Cyprus if I didn't live in the US. Chat, we're actually going to start. Should we just start like a village in Cyprus called like TRLS? TRLSville.
Yeah, we can build all the houses. And then we can collect rent off of these guys.
Just farm them. About culture and people, you know what I mean regarding Europe and stuff? How are things now? It's incredible, mate. It's incredible. The culture here is unbelievable. Like, no glaze to these guys, but the family-orientated thing is very Christian. So, like, even if you're not religious, right? It's just very family-orientated, community-orientated. So everyone looks after each other. It's so safe, bro. I'll leave my Range Rover running, and when I go into a shop, leave the doors open, leave my phone in there, no problem. People leave Ferraris on the front road of Limassol just running whilst they go into the shop, so the AC stays on. Yeah, like barely any crime. There's loads of Russians here as well, which means there's lots of money. And they're also very nice. The food's incredible. It's all healthy. When you go to the supermarket, there's like no additives around. It's fucking sick. Visited Ayia Napa this summer. Ayia Napa's funny, bro. It's a good place for a holiday. I would never live there though. Well, when you were deciding to relocate, what other countries were in the cards? Dubai, Malta, Gibraltar. I was just looking at tax havens, can't lie. I looked at South Africa for like Cape Town for a bit, but then I realized that I didn't want to get chefed. How long do you need to be in Cyprus per year? Not that long. Thoughts on Thailand or Bali? It's good, bro, but you know what? Like, I think for people as a Westerner, I think there's going to be a big culture shock when you go to a place like that. I mean, I've never been, so I can't say, but like, from driving like nice cars, nice luxury amenities, like crazy restaurants and shit, to like mud huts, moped, not being able to drink the water because it's got like, you get stomach bugs, barley belly, all that type of shit. I just don't think I could do it. Even the EU will probably be the player in future. Yeah, man, I can't lie, you're probably right. Asia Aim, what you think? No, I think Thailand's different, right? But from what I've heard about Bali, it's like extremely... I don't know. But yeah, Thailand and shit would be okay. Like, I don't know. Have you visited Switzerland? What's good, Dirty Bikes, by the way? How you doing, my friend? Yeah, I've been to Switzerland briefly, but not for long. I'm from Switzerland, but low-key a bubble. Yo, you gotta get me in with the Swiss banks, eh? Numbered accounts and shit. That's what I'm trying to have. You know you can have a bank account in Switzerland with like no name on the account, just numbers.
Yeah, I think we searched it up yesterday. 0%. No, I forgot. I don't know.
Off topic on the charts, what you anticipating? It's fucking bad. You know it's bad when off topic is on the charts. You're right though. I'm not looking for anything right now. That's a horrible 15-minute closure. I think it's very indecisive right now. I do think it's going to want to fill the range. It's struggling to. Technically a higher low being made here. We're in the middle of the range right now. I don't really like taking positions in the middle of the range. I would say genuinely around like these areas here is kind of a no trade zone for me. Because you could go either way right now and stops have to be massive. Bro, you can't flush paper towels in Cyprus? Bro, of course you can. I do it every single day. Everyone does it. It's not like that. You guys would be surprised. Like, when I was first going to check out Cyprus, obviously I had my Mercedes at the time, and my parents were like, "Oh, you need to be careful because the roads are going to be shit. Like, you know, you can't do this, can't do that." Bro, it's better. All of the amenities are better than the UK. The roads are better. Everything's better. Like, AC, all that sort of shit. Like, it's just, yeah, it's not what you think. Cyprus is extremely, extremely modernized. Like,
Will you stop talking to my Siri?
Hi Siri. Wait. Hi Siri. Full port my Apex evaluation.
No, we will not be doing that.
Would your family want to move out there? Yeah, I think they will eventually. Gold been struggling ever since the government shut down. PA's been so indecisive. Yeah, I know. It's kind of whack. Whack.
Wap.
Then just blame the trading on Siri. Yeah, that's the move. Chat, who was in Tom's Discord stream this morning? Did Cyprus get affected with anything with the... I'm not going to say that word just in case. Situation? Yeah, a large number of a certain group of people started moving over here. I'll let you do the deciphering on that one. Yeah, and why is my phone Siri working? Hey Siri, full port my evaluations now. Martians? Yeah, Martians. Tom, you literally stream at like 3 AM in the morning? Yeah, idiot. Thanks a lot.
Still an American.
Yeah. Trying to do... Hey Siri, call mum.
No.
Hey Siri, call the police. How much a month you have to make or have saved up to build as a trader in Cyprus? Not too much, bro. Not that much. Like, it's not that expensive. All right, goodbye. Bro just picked up the laptop and left. I don't know. Like, probably. I think you'd need to be making like 5K a month. I'm quitting. No way you did that. Yo, my bad. My bad. All right. God forbid a brother have some fun, eh? What's good, Hasbullah? Bro, you just called the police on my phone. Hasbullah, isn't that the little guy, no? My Siri got activated. That's funny. Did the police actually get called? Someone who's not... Imagine there's someone like who's just left the stream, their phone's next to their computer. They're just on the phone right now to the police. My Siri got activated on both phones. Whoa, Malenko, 2 phones. Mr. Drug Dealer. Chat, should we get Sendy? Fucking spilt it. Have you seen those memes, bro? They're so funny of like the Nelk boys pushing 30. Is real estate expensive in Limassol/Nicosia? Yes, very. But rent is not too bad. Like, rent's quite cheap, but to buy, yeah, it's expensive. No strawberry dreams today? I know, man. It's fucking pissed me off. Chat, I can't lie. I was so close to buying a house here last month. Like a massive house. And, the bank fucked me over. Last minute. How long you been there now? Like, nearly a year. I would say like 10 months. Yo, Malenko, I know you don't know Mandem like that, but I just wanted some food, fam. I know you're top dog around here. That's funny. Some grub. How big was the house? The land was like 9,000 square meters. It's like 100,000 square foot. Bank fucked me, man. I don't understand. It's just an inside UK joke, Malenko. Don't worry. Well, you're not small at all? Yeah, I know. Chat, we're trying to push back up here. Stack the cash and then the bank no need to say nothing. Bro, I offered the bank over a 50% deposit, chat. I offered the bank over 50% deposit. Do you know how crazy that is? Most people pay like 10 or 20% deposit on houses. I said to them, you know what? I'll give you 50% of the cash up front. And they were like, no, because you haven't been in Cyprus long enough. The fuck? And like, I showed them my income and everything, my bank statements. They were like, well, you are 24 and you make 20K a month. How do we know this is legit income? What do you mean, bro? I've shown you where it's come from. I'm gonna start swinging. They're just hating, man. Could have had the TRLS Mega Mansion. It's alright though, we'll come back. I'm not paying 100% cash for a house as well. That's ridiculous. No leverage on that. So fuck it, we'll buy the McClears instead. Old people don't like the young ones wealthy. It's so true, bro. It's so true. They're just mad they're not wealthy. It's so mad, bro. It's so crazy. You know what I need to do, chat? I need to get a small hat and go to one of their small hat banks and get 0% interest. Do I have a... I can't say that on stream. I'm back. I thought you can't flush paper toilet in Greece and Cyprus. Maybe in the old houses. Yeah, maybe the old ones, bro. I think that's like an older thing. I know in some Greek islands you can't. But I think Cyprus is pretty much okay. I saw that when I wanted to buy a new car, I went to Mercedes dealership and they didn't even talk to me because I was young. Yeah, it's crazy. Ah, yes, the tiny hat 0% loan. I know, bro. That's what we need. If Tom's single, he needs to start linking chicks that work at a bank. That is so true. Tom, you need to find some gal at a bank. Huh? Yeah. Get me the mega loan. Employee discount. Chat, this is nice. Nice consolidatory price action here. Hourly close in 4 minutes. Let's see what happens. By the way, me and Tom drove to the gym yesterday. We got all the way to the gym. And then they were like, yeah, it's closed. It's a Cyprus national holiday. Fuck. Maybe buy it buy a small house and use it as security. They said they wouldn't even do that, bro. I used to sell cars and my favorite customers were rich 16-year-olds that none of the other salespeople would help. Yeah, bro. It's literally so retarded. Like, because think about how much money some of these young kids have now. Either it's daddy's money or you have kids like, I don't know, Brez, who's 20 and bought like $1 million worth of cars. It just makes no sense. But these guys just have such a mad mindset. What's good, Geordie? How's it going, my bro? What's up with the government shutdown? You're the American one, bro. You should know more than me. The American, I think it's Congress just walked out. They couldn't decide on shit, so they just walked out, which is crazy. What's good, Fazo? How's it going, my bro? Chat, it's time to make a mill. One of my friends went to a bank with his dad, and the bank automatically assumed the investment bank was for his dad and not for the kid. Always. When do I get a recording of the masterclass? Need to learn those. Chat, it's in the WAP chat. Oh, Willu, it's in the WAP chat, my bro. In full margin, crazy. They're underpaid, so they're on strike. Underpaid, yeah. Nancy Pelosi's what? 400 mil net worth on a 100k salary. Drop the likes, let's go. Chat, Fazo's right. Drop the likes. If you haven't already joined the free Discord as well, make sure you're in there, man. It's super valuable. Like I said, we're doing a stream in there every single day, or Tom is. Yeah, absolutely crazy value. $55k likes. W. Nancy made all the money from OF is crazy. Not the Nancy Pelosi OF. Was for a funding bill disagreement? Great. All right, fire. SG on that breakout and bottom wick near 38.99. Would that entry be A+? 38.99. Was this the entry that I took? Here? Oh, wait. It's this one here, right? It would have to close above 38.99. This candle here closed above. This one made the bottom wick. You could even take the wick entry, like I taught you guys in yesterday's masterclass, or you take the break of this high here, like the flip. That's what I took. Extremely valid. Waiting for stock exchange to open should add some momentum. He chew a little bit less loudly. Yeah, my bad. Government insider trading goated. That's plan B if the day trading doesn't work. Can't lie, bro. The goal would be to make it to Congress, right? And then you just insider trade to fuck. I think that'd be so sick. You'd make so much money. What's your favorite car? Luca, you probably have them. You live in Monaco, bro. I don't know. I like a McLaren, G-Wagon, GT3 RS. Trying to get myself a P1. Well, what's the new one? A W1, right? is the new GT3 TR. That's bad boy. What's the new McLaren? Is it W1? Yeah. Welcome to Monaco. Luca, buy me. Can you buy me a supercar, please? I can't lie. I think I prefer the P1. Honda Civic EK9. I don't even know what that is, bro. I don't know ball as well as you guys. Revuelto. I'm not a big fan of the Revuelto. P1 looks amazing. Yeah, chat hourly closed here, by the way. Doji. Kind of crazy closure. Top wick first as well. It's not bad. Would the candle closure be the actual confirmation of the trade? And the bottom wick or the flip would just be good for entries? Yes. Not necessarily for better entries. It's for wicks. Yeah, it's for, sorry, liquidity. The wicks are for liquidity. XAU inverted the gap. Should go higher here. The fair value gap. Gold ripping. I entered at 39.08. W. Chat, my position was from down here at like 02. Kind of crazy work. Unfortunately, chat, I don't think there's anything I can do here. It's either going to rip up and fill the range or it's going to pull back. Either way, we're in the middle of the range right now. I can't take a position here. You either have to wait for it to close above here, pull back and then take it. Or you have to wait for it to come down into this level and then take it there. So either way, it's going to be very difficult to take a position here. No set TP on this one. Want to see a big expansion?
So put this with us. Oh my god.
Yeah, one close. Bro's on the 3 minute. Hourly no bottom wick for me. You guys too? Yeah, that's not the best. Yeah. GG's.
That was such a terribly managed position, Mike.
I don't think so. Yo, hope you're good, mate. Taking a break this week. All right, Tom. Listen, if you need to book a call or chat to me, then send me a message, right? Hopefully you're good, though. It's difficult price action this week, I can't lie, especially with the news going on and everything. Chat, I think I'm going to call it here, to be honest. I can't... Whoa, I need to drop my phone. I can't see a trade, to be honest. I can't see anything, other than the one I caught from down here, right? But unfortunately, we've just filled the range. There's no real entry. You could have got that 5 minute sky dweller that I called out down here. But again, like, you would have hit break even probably. So chat, if you haven't already and you need to grab a funded account, make sure you go over to either Alpha Futures or Apex using the link here and use code TRLS. And you're going to get a full maximum discount, the biggest discount you can get. Alright? Otherwise, chat, make sure you keep an eye out for the vlog coming out later. There's a vlog coming out, I think in a couple of hours. It's going to be an absolute screamer. Absolute screamer. So make sure you don't miss it. It's a long ass vlog as well. I think it's like 34 minutes. Chat, join the GeoGuessr. Join up, join up, join up. Nice, love a good vlog. Yeah, chat, I've been loving the vlogs recently too. Gonna drop off and watch the masterclass. Alright, Mike, me see you in a bit, man. I'm considering to do vlogs out here in China. I'd watch them. Oh, my name, Geo Diddler, crazy man. Not the Geo Diddler. The Geo Diddler's crazy. Alright, Sam, you better win this. I'm counting on you. I'm betting the house on stake for you to win. Uh-oh, Dylan. There's a lot of pressure on that. Alright, I'm starting the game, chat. 3, 2, 1. Hang on, Danny. I gotta lock in. Come on. TGI Fridays. Crazy work. I feel like it's gotta be like that. I can't believe it. Oh my days. How am I meant to know that was Korea? Fuck. Fine. Yeah, get smoked. Get smoked. Brings me back up to a nice little second place. The house? Dylan, I got you, bro. What's good, Bill? How's it going, brother? Brock, you know. I'm saying this is somewhere like this. Come on, son. Come on. Okay. Dylan, I told you I got you, man. Oh, Malenko's hot on my tail, though. Where's Madang? I feel like that's got to be like also Thailand, somewhere like this. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. Nah, I've sold it. I've sold. Fuck. Oh, not the house, Dylan. I'm sorry. We had it until round 4. The house. Dylan lost. Yeah, you lot are actually sweats. I've lost Dylan the house. Fuck. Sincerest apologies. Dale, Malenko, JJ, congrats. Unbelievable, Jeff. Unbelievable. All right, chat, look, that's been it from me. Listen, Screamer trade today. Unfortunately, it was taken before stream. A possible play, I wait for a closure above, liquidity grab, or wait for a tap in here. A breakout or a sky dweller above or below, Danny, is all you've got to look for here. And Samsung's Japanese, no? Anyway, chat, that's been it from me. Catch you on tomorrow's stream. Make sure you turn up in the Discord for Tom's London session stream tomorrow morning. He's been killing them recently. Other than that, chat, peace out, much love. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.